You want to line up your child so that he's more or less straight, and you take a hold of a point that's in that little hollow right there, and it's in this hollow right here between the first and second toe. So your thumb fits kind of naturally one on top of the other place, like this. And then you're going to push up until you send a little wave up to his head. 1, see the chin move. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can do that 3 times, 3 sets of 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want me to do that again? Nope. Okay, then we'll stop. And then at the very end, you just let the child lay, and you wait until they get up. You don't quickly get them up.